Good morning class. Today I want to describe about polynomial for class 9. Exercise 2.4 question number 3 part 4. Concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration. My words is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Firstly, I want to describe about polynomial because you can ask question to me, what is polynomial? Polynomial is very easy. It is new for you. So you can ask question very easily. What is polynomial? Clear? Polynomial is an algebraic expression of the form a base n x power n plus a base n minus 1 x power n minus 1 plus a base n minus 2 x power n minus 2 so on. It is form of polynomial. Form of polynomial is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Now I want to describe about type of polynomial. Polynomial is two types. First, term-based polynomial. Second, degree-based polynomial. Term-based polynomial are many, namely constant polynomial, zero polynomial, monomial, binomial, trinomial. Term-based polynomial is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Now I want to describe about degree-based polynomial. Degree-based polynomial are many, namely linear polynomial. A polynomial having degree 1 is called linear polynomial. Linear polynomial has 1 0 means one answer. Its form is ax plus b equal to 0. Next, quadratic polynomial. A polynomial having degree 2 is called quadratic polynomial. Form of quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. It has two zeros, means two answers. Next, cubic polynomial. A polynomial having degree 3 is called cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial have three zeros, means three answers. Its form is ax cube plus bx square plus cx equal to 0. Next, biquadratic polynomial. A polynomial having degree 4 or more than 4 is called biquadratic polynomial. Biquadratic polynomial have 4 or more than 4 zeros, means it has 4 or more than 4 answers. Its form is ax power 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e equal to 0. Type of polynomial is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. You can solve your question very easily by two methods. First, remainder theorem. Second, factor theorem. It is clear? We know dividend equal to divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. It means px equal to gx multiply qx plus rx. Px is dividend, gx is divisor, qx is quotient and rx is remainder. It is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Now I want to describe how you can find the value of k if px and gx is given. Px means dividend, gx means divisor. If dividend and divisor are given, how you can find the value of k? Firstly, you find the value of x of gx. Then you put it in px and then compare right side and left side. In this way you can find the value of k. It is very easy. You can solve your question very easily, but you concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration and see the board with full concentration. My words is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Like, subscribe and share is very important for me. So do not forget, like, subscribe and share it in your friends. My words is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Do not forget, like, subscribe and share in your friends. It is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. See the word. NCERT class 9 exercise 2.4. Question 3. Find the value of k if x minus 1 is factor of px in each of the following cases. Clear? Part 4. Px equal to kx square minus 3x plus k. It is dividend, means it is given polynomial. It is given polynomial, means it is dividend. Clear? X minus 1 is gx, means divisor. You find the value of k. Firstly, you find the value of x. Then you put it in px and then compare right side and left side. In this way you can find the value of k. Clear? No confusion about it? It is very easy. See the word. Px equal to kx square minus 3x plus k is a polynomial. It is a polynomial, means it is given polynomial, means it is dividend. Clear? Gx equal to x minus 1. Gx equal to x minus 1 is divisor. It is divisor, hence x minus 1 equal to 0. Gx equal to x minus 1 is divisor, hence x minus 1 equal to 0. You can write minus 1 on right side of equal. It becomes x equal to 0 plus 1. It becomes 0 plus 1. Here minus 1. When you write it on right side of equal, then minus 1 become plus 1. It is clear? You can write it as x equal to 1. You find x equal to 1. It means it is 0 of given polynomial. Now you put x equal to 1 in given polynomial. It is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Put x equal to 1 in px equal to kx square minus 3x plus k equal to 0. Put x equal to 1 in px equal to kx square minus 3x plus k equal to 0. Clear? It becomes P1 equal to K1 square minus 3 multiply 1 plus K equal to 0. It is clear? Here the value of x is 1. X means 1. Here x square means 1 square. Here x means 1. It is clear? You can write it as P1 equal to K multiply 1 multiply 1 2 times, because here x square means 1 square means 1 multiply 1 2 times. Clear? Here minus 3 multiply 1 plus k equal to 0. Here x means 1. Clear? You can write it 1 P1 equal to k multiply 1. Here 1 multiply 1 become 1. It is clear? Minus 3 multiply 1 plus k equal to 0. You can write it P1 equal to k multiply 1 become k minus 3 multiply 1. 3 multiply 1 become 3 plus k equal to 0. You can write it P1 equal to, here k and k, you add it, k and k add, it become 2k. 2k minus 3 equal to 0. You find 2k minus 3 equal to 0. It is clear? Hence 2k minus 3 equal to 0. You can write minus 3 on right side of equal. It become 2k equal to 0 plus 3 equal to 3. Clear? 2k equal to 3. Hence k equal to 3 by 2. Answer. You find k equal to 3 by 2. It is your answer. You find very easily the value of k. In this way you can solve any question and you can find the value of k. My words is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Your solution is clear? It is easy? Very good. Okay. Like, subscribe is very important for me. So do not forget like, subscribe and share. My words is clear? Do not forget like, subscribe and share in your friends. Okay, very good.